Multiple applications. Fake nail design, suitable for home nail salon and DIY nail art. Material. Made of high-quality PVC plastic, waterproof and wear-resistant. Easy to use, reusable and removable, ideal tool for fixing nail molds, helps you easily create gel nails. 5 gel nail molds. Suitable for most fingers, and easily choose the size that fits each of your fingers. Nail tip clip size. 3. 6 by 3 cm 1.4 by 1.18 inches, suitable for use with polyacrylic and acrylic applications. Top reviews from the United States. You need these for gel nails. These are beyond a necessity when applying your own gel nails. Makes the process so much easier. If you're doing your own gel nails, you need these clamps to hold your nail while curing under the UV lamp. Don't pass this up, it will make your life so much easier.